सत्तरी वाठारांतल्या धबधब्यांचेर सोरो पिवप आनी कोयर घालपाच्या आरोपाक लागून जाल्ल्या वादाक आतां राजकीय वळण मेळ्ळा। हे फाटभुंयेर आमदार देविया राणे हांणी हे आरोप फटीचे आसात आनी राजकीय हेतान हे दावे केल्यात अशें सांगून सगळे दावे भायर आयले। फाटल्या 5 वर्सांत धबधब्यांची नेमान देखरेख जाल्या आनी ते निवळ, सुरक्षीत आनी पर्यटकांक आकर्षित करपी आसात अशें आमदार देविया राणेन स्पश्ट केलें।
गोईंग एंड ते सेम वॉटरफॉलाचेर परत त्याच वॉटरफॉलाचेर वता, थंयच कितें करता आनी परत व्हिडिओ करता आनी सांगता की परत मेळ्ळा म्हणून। हांव एकच विचारपाक सोदतां, त्या दिसा फर्स्ट डे जेन्ना गेल्ले आनी तांणी म्हणलें बाटल्यो मेळ्ळ्यो आनी कितें हें मेळ्ळें, लोक पिताले आनी कितें, आनी हें सगळें ताणें अफवा केली न्ही। आनी ही सेड ही सॉ दॅट, सो वेर आर दोज व्हिडिओज? ताका तर तेन्ना मेळिल्ले जाल्यार परत कित्याक गेला तो? वाय इज ही गॉन अगेन टू शूट? If he has those video recordings of that day, why do you need to go again and again? That is what I want to ask. आणि आता तुमकां प्रेसाक रोखडेच आनी एक व्हिडिओ मेळटलो from us, which you will come to know the reality. He's taking videos from this part, then he's mixing videos from some other part. He's merging everything and showing it is happening there.
So you mean to say it is a fake video or everything?
Of course, see, in Naneli, we have 3 waterfalls. The first 2 waterfalls are managed by us. The third waterfall is inside of the sanctuary, which access means the people don't go from our this. And there are many routes to the sanctuary, many routes, different routes. So there are many people coming from different villages and they go directly to the third waterfall. So this waterfall, maybe, I don't know which waterfall is seen, but our waterfall, because we have also done testimonials, we have, why doesn't he go to Pali waterfall? Why is he going again and again only to Naneli? The footfalls in Pali waterfalls are much more. If there are, say, 150 people here, there will be 300 people at Pali waterfall. And we are having people, so I can guarantee, like, I am having so many people, other people who go, and everybody says, yeah, the surroundings are so clean, we have had no issue with garbage, we have not had any issues with anything. So I don't see any issue. This is just to defame and demoralize somebody who is doing good work. आमचो तर कोण बरो मागपी आशिल्लो, आमचो जर वेलविशर आशिल्लो जाल्यार कोण अप्रिशिएट करपी आशिल्लो, बाबा हांगा GFDC इज डुईंग गुड वर्क, फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट इज डुईंग गुड वर्क, बरें अप्रिशिएट करया म्हणून। इतलें ते करुना सडनली कित्याक आतां इलेक्शन लागीं आयलां म्हणून कित्याक हे सडनली जालां? आय एम मॅनेजिंग दीज वॉटरफॉल्स फॉर द लास्ट फ्यू इयर्स, कपल ऑफ इयर्स, कोणेच केन्नाच हें करुना, सडनली आतांच कित्याक इलेक्शनाचे 3-4 म्हयने पयलीं?